Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, we're going to be going through my October Allure Beauty Box. We're going to take a look at what's inside. We'll talk a little bit about the subscription and see if the box is worth it. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Michelle. I enjoy makeup, skincare, and lifestyle. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. I would love it if you would consider subscribing before you go. And if you hit that bell icon, you can be notified every time I upload a new video. If you're not familiar with Allure Beauty Box, it is a monthly beauty box service. They say that you get editor-approved picks in makeup, skincare, hair care, and fragrance. You receive 6 or more beauty products valued at $100 or more. You get 3 or more full-size products. When you subscribe to the Allure Beauty Box, you also have access to their member store where you can get up to 80% off on products, so you can always add to your box for an extra fee depending on what the item costs. When you first sign up, you also get some free gifts, which is great. They have 3 different membership types. You can sign up for just the monthly, which you're billed monthly, which is $23 a month. You can pay for 3 months, which ends up being $60. So you're saving $9 compared to the monthly, but you have to pay upfront for the 3 months. And they do have a yearly membership, which is $228 for the year, which has to be paid upfront. It is non-refundable, but it's like getting 2 boxes for free. So let's get into the box. This is what it looks like. It's a really plain box. It's shipped in this box. It's nothing fancy. It's not pretty like the FabFitFun box, pretty basic. When you open the box, it tells you a little bit about Allure Beauty, and it comes with this pamphlet, which has the items that are in your box in here. It shows you which editors chose it. It tells you a little bit about the product, why it's their favorites. So this is really nice. It's just kind of a nice reference, which I'm actually going to use when we go through the box. They show you some items that are in their member store for discounted prices. They usually show you that. You can scan the QR code and it brings you right to the store. The first thing that I got is Sephora collection. I'm not a fan of getting Sephora collection things in this box, but that's okay. This is the Big by Definition mascara. This is not a full size. That's a nice thing to try out. Next, I have a Red Ginseng Daily Defense Essence. So this is how it comes. Again, this is not a full size. And let's just take a look at this. We'll open it up. It has a really pretty package. That's what it looks like. It does have a really strong smell. It has an earthy smell. Actually feels good, but it's thick. It's more like a serum. I think of an essence as more of kind of a watery substance. This is pretty thick. It's very serumy. It says it's as light as water and rich in firming red ginseng for happy, hydrated, bouncy skin. I did not think it felt like water. It felt like a serum. It was thick, but it did go on. It soaked right in, and it felt slightly sticky at first, but it's not sticky now. When it first came out, I smelled kind of like an earthy smell, but it's already gone. This is a nice little essence. It's Korean beauty. I love Korean beauty, so I'm looking forward to trying that. Next, I have Vasanti. I'm horrible at pronouncing things. You guys know this, so I'm probably butchering all of these names. This is a Brighten Up Exfoliator, an enzymatic face rejuvenator enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe. It sounds like this is going to be a physical exfoliant for your face. It says it sloughs away dullness, grime, and dead skin cells. I'm going to go ahead and open this just to see what this is like. It does have texture to it. It's definitely a physical exfoliant for your face. I'm smelling like a slightly, kind of like just a really light, clean fragrance. It doesn't smell medicinal or anything like that. It's just really clean, but I don't know if you can see, but that's how it's coming out. And it definitely has really, really fine particles. They're not large crystals. It's not like a bath salt. Actually, it says that it is a physical and a chemical exfoliator all in one. That could be a little much for your skin. If you have really sensitive skin, this is definitely not something that you're going to want to use. I'll give it a try. My skin is used to both because I do use both on and off. I usually switch. I sometimes really enjoy a good physical scrub when I feel like I need it and my skin's a little dry or it's flaky. So looking forward to that. So far, no full sizes. Let's see what else I have in here. Okay, so next I have, it is Viori, I believe it's pronounced, shampoo and condition bar. It says Hidden Waterfall Musk Scent. Now this I already know I will not be using. I have special shampoo and conditioner that I use for my hair extensions. These are interesting. I mean, these are definitely an interesting concept with shampoo in a bar form. I know a lot of people love these. They're really easy. You can just put them in your shower. They don't take up a lot of room. It does, whoa, it does have a musk scent. Not my favorite at all. This is how it comes. It's just like a little bar of soap. It says that you just put it in your hands until it lathers, and then you just go ahead and put it in your hair. And I'm guessing this is the conditioning bar. There's one wrapped in paper. These are really cute little bars. I don't know how long these are gonna last. I do not think this is a full size. This I will definitely be gifting to someone. I don't know if I know anyone who likes to use a bar. I'm sure this could be used as a hand soap, and it's probably really, really moisturizing, so probably not so bad. Okay, next I have the Belief Aqua Bomb Brightening Vitamin C Cream. And again, this is not a full size. This says that this is a formula that is thicker than an average gel cream, so it feels decadent and hydrating on application, giving dry or tired skin much TLC. So let's just open it. Oh, there's no seal on this. It does have a really nice smell. It's not overwhelming. It's just a super light smell. This is how it comes. I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on my hand. So that's what it looks like. It smells like lemons. Definitely has a citrus smell to it. So I don't know if you're sensitive to citrus, which I know a lot of people are. This may not work for you, but it does feel really nice and hydrating. It says that it has radiance boosting vitamin C, moisture retaining hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E to give you a glossy skin that's bouncy with moisture. It actually does feel really, really good. And the smell has pretty much faded already, but my hand feels so soft. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be giving this a try. I have really sensitive skin. A lot of times if I can't put it on my face, I'll just use it on my body or my hands or even my arms before I go to bed. It does say that it massages easily into skin and wears comfortably under sunscreen or makeup, so that's good to know with this. Next, I guess, are my full sizes because I have not gotten to them yet. I have Saturday Skin Vitamin C Eye Cream. So this is interesting, and it looks like this is a full size. This retails for $32. This says that it is a proprietary blend of 7 peptides that are in this eye cream. Let's see, this one doesn't have a seal, but it does have one of those plastic covers on it. If you guys have used any of these, I'd love to know if you like them or not. And if you didn't like them, what didn't you like about it, or why didn't it work for you? That is really, really thick. It's almost like a balm. And that's what it looks like. So it's very, very thick and creamy. It feels really good. I'm not smelling anything, which is nice. It says it has a buttery formula that helps concealer and foundation go smoother on top. It has antioxidants, vitamin C, niacinamide. It's great for the delicate eye area and helps brighten it over time. I'm not huge on eye creams because I feel like a lot of times you can just use your moisturizer under your eyes. This would definitely be too thick to use on my face. I'd love to know if you guys have used this, especially on mature eyes with wrinkles. I'd be curious to see how this goes under concealer, if it helps smooth it out so it doesn't settle into fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm actually looking forward to using this guy. I'm glad it's a full size. And again, this was $32 for the full size. Next, I have a brow pencil. It is the True and Luscious Brow Pencil Definer. They actually let you choose the color that you wanted on this, which was great. This retails for $20, and it just has a really big spoolie on one end. That's what the pencil looks like. I don't know if it's gonna work on my hand because I have so much lotion on there. I think I ended up with blonde. It might be a little too light for me, but I guess we'll see. Again, that is the color. This is definitely a decent size pencil. I'm on my last thing already. So my last full size is Floor in, is it Floor? Like floor, like flower floor? Floor in B Just Do It Hydrating Serum. This is how it comes. This is a full size. It's $34 for 1 fluid ounce. It says hydrating and anti-aging, cruelty-free, 100% vegan, 1% of the proceeds go to charity. It says it has 14 nourishing actives, 3 visible results. This dewy serum provides immediate deep hydration for smoother and plumper skin. So let's take a look at this. The bottle is glass. That explains why it feels so heavy. So this is how it comes. It's a cute little bottle. It says if dewy skin is your thing, this product will be too. It has prickly pear seed oil, sea buckthorn oil that instantly hydrates with no trace of stickiness behind. That is fantastic. Let's take a look at it. Oh, it's very yellow. And it is pretty thick. I'm not smelling anything. It doesn't say specifically if it's fragrance free. After cleansing, just apply 3 to 4 drops on your fingertips. It does have some great ingredients. Oh my goodness. This feels so good. My hands feel unbelievably hydrated right now. I've heard really good things about prickly pear seed oil. So I might actually give this a try. I'm very picky about what I put on my skin because I break out so easily, so I will look a little harder into the ingredients, but I'm pretty excited about this one too. So let's add up this box and see if it was worth my $23. We have the eye serum here, which is $32. We have this hydrating serum, which is $34. And the brow pencil, which was the full size, which is $20. So guys, just the full size added up to $86. Skincare is really expensive, so it is nice that you get skincare in here because just one of these was worth more than what I paid for the box. And I think I'm gonna get some use out of these products. You know, my last box, I really wasn't happy with at all. There was hardly anything in there I used. I haven't even touched it yet. I still have it sitting here. You do take a chance. So $86, and that's not including all of the small sample sizes, which is great because it gives you an opportunity to try the small sizes. And then if you really like them, you can go ahead and purchase a full size, but at least you get to try before you buy. Everything here I will probably try with the exception of these hair bars. Like I said, if I can't find anyone that will use this, I'll just use it as a hand soap. Overall, this was a decent box for me. I'm gonna continue my membership. I feel like every month I question whether or not I'm gonna continue it. I still haven't done the 1 year, which I wanted to do to save money and get 2 free boxes. I just haven't been able to commit because I've had several not so great boxes. So overall, this was not a bad box at all. I'm happy with it. I will have all of the information linked down below for you. I'm so glad I got to just show you what's inside and what it comes with. So for those of you that are thinking about getting a subscription, you get to see what it's like when it comes. I definitely think if you're kind of a skincare junkie, it's really worth it because like I said, skincare is super expensive and one item pays for your entire box. Plus you get all of these other things to try out. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch. I appreciate it so much. I hope you all have a great weekend and I will see you in my next video.